It's a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. As you can see, I have done it again. I have cooked more bacon than we needed because I knew Lurch on late shifts this week. I need to feed myself. So I've got 4 slices of cooked bacon here. I'm going to use 2 tonight, and I've already started prepping for tomorrow's tea there. But this is what I've got for tonight. Here I've sliced up a carrot, some onion, celery. I've got bean sprouts, spring onions, tomatoes and cabbage. That's what I'm going to use up. I'm going to do like a stir fry, a bacon and bacon and bean sprout stir fry thing. So I'll prepare all these. It's very simple, easy to do, just chop them up as you would normally do. I want 8 spring onions, just 1 to garnish. I only want a couple of 2 or 3 tomatoes to go in it. And this cabbage. I'll wash up a couple of these things, and then I'll come back to you when I've sorted them out. That's what I've got. I've sorted out a slow cooker full of summer ingredients for tomorrow. Apart from the potatoes and those. 2 of the pieces of bacon I've cut up, and they're also for tomorrow. 2 are for tonight, I think. Yep. But I've also split the veg up into things that I think will take longer cooking wise, like carrots. Although I don't mind them al dente. And then I'll move through our bean sprouts. Dark soy sauce. And that'll do, I think. Oh, salt and pepper. Where's my salt there? Not pepper, because as I've said before, not pepper, but thinking about it, that bacon is salty. I'm glad I toasted it. Soy sauce has got salt in it, so I am not going to add any salt at all. And I'll get started with these now. Touch of olive oil. I bought this hoisin sauce the other day, so if I can open it, I'm going to try some. But if I can't, I won't. I'm using my wok here because I've got it, basically. And I put in a bit of olive oil just to heat through. And now I'm going to put in the veg I think is going to take the longest. And while that's cooking, I'm going to feed Mason. Right, that seems to be cooking away nicely. I'll add in the bacon now. bacon and the tomatoes and a bit of the garlic. Yes, it seems that it's doing really nice. Possibly a bit on the hot side, so lower it down a touch. So now I'm adding a couple of handfuls of bean sprouts, maybe a bit more. I quite like them. And they'll go back in the fridge for another day. Now I'm going to add cabbage. I'm going to add some of this Homestead sauce as well. And that's going to be it. I like the bean sprouts crunchy, so I'll just add the rest of the garlic and spring onions. Give it a last blast of heat. Yes, because that cabbage is wilting down nice now. And dish up. Well, that Homestead sauce is quite nice. And put some soy sauce on. And that's a nice different meal for me. Didn't take long to do. I think the prep took longer than the cook. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect situation.